Bam. Hope everybody's doing well. Had a great weekend. Apologize for the lateness, but uh, very busy. Next couple weeks going to be very, very busy for me. I'm not even sure how much I will be able to trade, at least for the New York. I'm probably doing a lot at well, we'll see what Asian provides and see if we want to trade that one. And if I wake up early enough, I'll get in some London action. But if today was an indicator, it's going to be hard for me to actually even get a chance to look at charts, much less actually, get prepared for a trade. So we'll see how it goes. But did want to come on and kind of give a quick recap of today. I did not trade today. Yes, I saw the action, and yes, I wasn't kicking myself. I was like, man, that would have been a great day to be in. But let's talk about it real quick. Hey, so this is our weekly view, both on ES and NQ. What I'm noticing here is I did my charts last night, but I'm noticing, again, we already have taken out the previous week's buy side. And so I'm not sure what that means. I mean, we're in blue sky territory, so I'm not really sure, where we want to go, right? So in theory, right, we would want to come back down here to this fair value gap and then make this move. But honestly, I don't know, right? Because there's nothing up here, there's no fair value gaps on the, on the bearish side for us to, have that move. So, we'll see. Again, that's why I say you play the charts that you're dealt, right? So now on the NQ, we do have some space before we actually get back up to last week's, that buy side from last week, because, we had a huge wick up last week, and then we came back down. And so we do have a little bit of room here to try to attack that buy side. Normally when you attack a buy side or sell side, price wants to reverse. But again, when we're in blue sky territory, so I'm not sure what's going to happen there. All right. If we take this down, we'll take it down to the daily, and just to look at it really quick, you'll see, you know, again, this is where we are today. So this is tonight's actions, I'm not counting that. But if you look, we had that move down for the last 2 days of last week, and then we just turned around basically and have recovered all of that, that drop, on the NQ, and we actually have more than accommodate, or more than taking that drop out on Friday today on the ES, right? So kind of back to the positive movement on the charts here. So again, we'll see what tomorrow brings, and kind of go from there. All right, so let's kick it down to our 5 minute. And so I will say I did take a look a little earlier, and it looks like on the ES we actually end up with a false DR day today. All right, so let's look at that one really quick. Yep. So if you notice here, right, we had that move up, we came down, we didn't, if you look a little closer, we actually did not confirm low until almost 11 o'clock. So that's this red candle here, confirm low. And then, so we did actually, let's see, so we confirmed low, we did retrace, right, on that candle right there, but that retrace would have gotten you a couple of points, right? So that's not something that, if you're scalping, fine, but if you're actually trying to play, DR play, get your 5 points and get out, that would not have done it for you. You'd have got stopped out on the way up here. And then we actually went all the way back up, and then we actually confirmed high. So confirmed low, all the way back up, confirmed high. So that makes today's day false on ES. But notice here what happened if you forgot about, oh shoot, sorry. Let's say we say, okay, you know what? Forget the false. Forget the low. We're gonna play the high. You see what happened here. And now and I say that like that's not our normal method, but when we look at NQ, you'll see kind of what happened there, and kind of why you could even kind of take that opportunity on the ES if you were just playing ES. But if you again notice, we went up high, came down, dropped down all the way down to 0.5 fib, which is one of our favorite places to trade from, and then boom, there's the move, right? If you missed the 0.5 fib move around 2 o'clock, had another really nice way to get in right there with a fair value gap, bullish fair value gap confluence along with dropping below the IDR, which was right next to the DR. So not a whole lot of move, not a whole lot to of a range there. But then there's your second move, and if you held that long enough, boom, what a great move at the end, right? So again, patience and actually, sticking to your plan would have been very beneficial on the ES today. Yes, I am still salty. I missed it, but it's all right. It'll be fine. Okay, now NQ, real quick on this one. So we had kind of similar movement, right, where we actually came down. We did not confirm low here, right, and so we went back up. So you see here we confirmed low. Here we did not, right, and so after that it was the same movement. Okay, we went up. We confirmed high on the NQ. All right, we confirmed high right here, and we actually came back down. Could have got picked up here, and then we had a little bit of the movement up, so you could have scalped that. Came back down again. Could have got picked up here. Same kind of thing where you could have held it, and then the last opportunity you had was right here. Kind of barely came down and crossed the DR, but then here you see kind of what that movement would have done. And let me open this. Yeah, and so you kind of see what happened here, right? So any one of those opportunities you could have got in, and if you're holding it, then you get the benefit of that move right there. All right, so so from a pure DR standpoint, if I'm rating today, even though the ES ended up initially being false, that actually was an easier trading day, right? Because you really only had, all right, once you confirmed high up here, so forget about this. Once you confirm high, you had all this space here below the 0.5 fib to get in, and you could have held that, or you could have gotten in here. But these are very clean moves, okay? NQ was not as clean. You had a bunch of, not false starts, but you had quite a few of opportunities where it came back down, but it didn't really give you a lot of room on the top side for you to actually take profit off of that, right? So you'd have had to hold it through all this junk and then let it then take off. So, but either way, I mean, there was opportunities there, which is what we're looking for every day, all right? So yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna hold you too much longer. Again, like I said, this week and next week gonna be a little rough for me to really trade during the day. I'll be stuck in a conference room for the next 3 days, pretty much all day. So we'll see how it plays out. I'm going to look at Asian and see what I can do over there. I don't think it's confirmed yet, so we'll see what happens. But anyway, guys, appreciate it as always. Leave some comments if you have any questions, or send me a message, that kind of thing. And as always, appreciate what you do. Appreciate you kind of watching the videos. And like we always say, love on your loved ones, because you never know when you won't be able to do it again. So take advantage of each and every opportunity. We'll see you guys. Appreciate it.